Hi, my name's Robert Knoll, and we're Rendition. We believe that the future of software development is automated. How many teams do you know today hiring front-end developers? You may have heard that there's a massive software engineer shortage of over 1.2 million and increasing. But there's more to build now than ever, with design software making creating designs more accessible than ever before. But implementing these designs in code is just as manual and repetitive as it was 10 years ago. There's a lot of wasted work. In fact, 1 billion developer hours per year are wasted writing code from designs. And it's no secret that automating this labor will create enormous value. But existing solutions don't solve the problem. Take no-code. No-code limits what teams can build and how they can scale. So professional software teams choose to write custom code from designs instead. And there are existing efforts to automate writing code from designs, but they don't deliver on the promise of production quality code. The code that's written is not accurate to design intent, intuitive and easy to understand, and it doesn't match your team's preferred style, patterns, and preferences in your code base. As a result, existing attempts to automate design to code are not being adopted by professional software teams. And that is why we are building Rendition. Rendition is automating design to user interface code with an AI assistant for writing production quality front-end code from designs. We're able to succeed where other tools fall short thanks to our learning system approach. Under the hood, Rendition is two kinds of artificial intelligence joined by a compiler. We use computer vision to understand the subtleties of design intent. We have language models that match the code written to your team's preferred style, patterns, and preferences. And at our core is a compiler that writes clean, functional code. We have the right architecture to solve this problem, and the result is a tool that's more effective than has ever been possible before. Here's how Rendition works. We select a design, hop into Rendition's web editor to apply finishing touches, and then integrate the code into our code base. Today, building with Rendition is 5 times faster than writing code by hand. And we're putting this claim to the test. We've entered the market with a design to user interface code service, training our AI while generating high margin revenue. And our goal is to be a full SaaS solution over time. And by the end of the year, we'll be onboarding our customers' developers to build user interfaces using Rendition's AI directly. And interest for Rendition is strong. We charge $2,000 a month per team for 20 components. This is about what a front-end developer can build by hand. And in just 4 weeks since launch, we've signed 5 customers. And today, we're generating $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And we're on track to hit 50K MRR by the end of the year. My co-founder and I, Caleb, are developers ourselves. We know that engineers have to love Rendition. And that's why we're growing with our community. Our long-term growth strategy revolves around this community. We have 600 developers in our Discord, 2,000 subscribers on email, and 35,000 views of our design to development YouTube series. Developer demand for Rendition is real, and the market we can grow into is large. Today, we're charging $20,000 a year per small software team. There's over 500,000 such teams in the United States, creating an initial market opportunity of $10 billion. And Caleb and I are the right founding team to capture this market. We have the technical expertise to execute, having built front ends, compilers, and machine learning at companies like LinkedIn, Tesla, and Unit 21. And we've been building together for more than 3 years. And we're just getting started. Today, Rendition writes web and mobile code from designs. We'll expand to generate full stack applications and no code, and into the frontiers of front-end development, AR, VR, and metaverse. Our vision is that Rendition will become the default way that developers bring designs to life. We're Rendition, and we hope that you'll join us in our journey to forever change the way software is built.